the second part of your first module, we are going to know about naming files, basic files and type categories, then organization of files, hidden files, extended directories, parent child relationship, home directory, home variable, and reaching required file path variable, how you can manipulate the path, what is the difference between relative and absolute path, and there are directory commands called pwd, already we have used also. So, these are called as directory command, pwd, mkdir, cd, already we have done and others are there. Then we have something called as file related command, those file related command are cat, mb, rm, right, this all we are going to learn about that. Okay. So, now about the naming files. So, most of the Unix system, right, whatever the Unix operating system you use, any file name you can use like up to 255 characters while giving the name, right. You are saving the file. Have you tried saving the file name up to 250 character? It takes 256. Have you tried? No, we will give shorter name, so remember. So, but maximum it can consist of 255 character only when you are going to give the name. So, they can be any printable or non printable character except slash and null characters. Unix has a special character like dollar symbol, question mark, ampersand and address of symbols we have, and also that you can see that exclamation backslash, okay, backslash etc. for the different purpose. And remember, these characters you should not use while saving the name or in the file also. Next, so any file whatever you are going to create, obviously it should contain alphabet digits, a special character with dot, hyphen or underscore you can give with the file name. Generally what you do while saving the file, try with the saving the file with dollar, it will save. Try saving any file with the dollar, any file name dollar dot anything whatever. I think so it won't allow you to save with question mark. Okay. So, generally how the file naming conventions are there, same way here also is there, right. Unix does not impose any rules of framing the extension of file name. Even shell script do not require .sh as extension, especially on Unix. If you are writing shell script without a .sh extension also you can, it will consider as a shell script, right. It does not require any extension.